Alright guys, you are welcome back to my channel. If you are coming across my YouTube video, if you are coming across this YouTube video for the very first time, this is Zion Hub Logistics, where we discuss everything that have to do with money, business, and most especially mini importation. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be talking and I'll be discussing on how you can log in your Alipay account for the very first time. Let's assume you've already downloaded your Alipay account and you wanted to log in your Alipay account. So this is my Alipay account and I've already downloaded it. All what you need to do, if you haven't downloaded it, go to your Play Store or App Store. So you type Alipay. So once you download it, it's going to install automatically on your phone. So guys, before I continue this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, as you are watching this video, just click on that red button which is called subscribe. So it is free to subscribe. Guys, we need more subscription, please. So once you subscribe, it will give you access for you to see more of our videos. Okay, so let's dive into today's video, guys. So this is my Alipay. So I click on this app, it will open. By the virtue of me clicking on it, you can see this is their privacy protection. You can just go through it, read it. If you are okay with it, click on agree. Okay, so you click on allow, you allow them to send you notification. So basically this is what their dashboard really looks like for the first time if you are logging in for the first time. So there are varieties of different options you can use here. So but if you want to log in, this is what you are going to be seeing. Okay, but if you want to sign up, you click on this sign up, but we are not signing up today. I can do a very special video about that later. So the first thing you need to do here is to change your country calling code. Okay, by the default of this app, it comes with +86 plus this +86 is Chinese and China calling code. Okay, so we have to change it. You click on this drop down arrow here, so you click on it. Let me click on it. So it's going to take you here. So these are the available area codes that Alipay do accept, and we have different countries here that Alipay supported. So all what you need to do now is to just search for your own country. If you are from Ghana, if you are from Germany, if you are from different countries here. So let me just search for my country here. So this is my country. You can see that it has come with the country code +234. All right, now the next thing I need to do here is to just enter the number that I used to register. Okay, so let me just type the number here. This is the number I used to register, and make sure the number is available because they are going to be sending an OTP to this number, one-time password, to confirm that you are the one requesting for this access. So after inputting your number, guys, you click on next. So you agree on their services agreement and their privacy protection as well. So you click on agree. So it's going to bring this page. There are different options that you can use to log in. The first option that they are recommending for you is to log in via SMS. What does this mean? They are going to send you a OTP, one-time password, to this number that you used to register. So once you have been able to verify it, they send the code and you are going to input the code. So the second option is you logging in with your normal password. Okay, let's assume you know your password. You click on more options. Okay, it's going to bring these two options for you to log in. So if you want to just log in with your password, all what you need to do is to click on this password here. I click on it, so it's going to take you here. This is where you are going to use your password to log in. But more or less, if you've forgotten your password, you can easily use the first option, which is login via SMS. Okay, so now let me just input my password here. So once I input it, it's going to give me access to log into my account directly. So let me just input my password, guys. So once I click on it, I click on login. Okay, you can see right here that it's trying to say that I've forgotten my password or password is incorrect. Do you understand? So let me try another password now. If I've forgotten the password, definitely I'm going to use the other option to log in. So let me just type this. So automatically I believe it has accepted this this password. So let's see. All right, so as I said earlier, they've sent a code to that number. They've sent me a code. Okay, so let me just wait for this code to come in right now. So I have to wait for this code to come in. So why I await this code to come in, like I said earlier, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I beg you, just as you're watching this video, just click on that subscription button for you to subscribe. Okay, so let me just wait. Let me wait a little bit. Although sometimes the network might seem fluctuating, so you guys to keep on requesting for this code till you are going to get the code. Okay, so you can see the countdown is almost run out. I have 5 seconds more. If I don't receive this code with time, I'm going to request for another one again. Alright, so all what I need to do is click on resend text. Okay, so I've resent another one now. Let me just wait for this code to come in. Let me just wait. So while we are waiting, I've uploaded a video concerning how you can fund your Alipay. In case you haven't watched the previous video, you can just scroll on. Once you are done watching this video, you can scroll on my other videos. I uploaded the site that you can use to fund your Alipay account. We all know that 𝐶𝐷 is down. 𝐶𝐷 is down right now. So the alternative website you can use to fund your Alipay account, I've already uploaded it on how you can register and get all things fixed. So just watch the video, then you see how it goes. With this website you can fund your Alipay account unlimitedly, guys. So let's just wait for this code. So if I don't see this code, that means I'm going to be going back to the first option, which is sending another code again. Okay, so let me just go back now to the other option there, which is SMS verification. This is two different things. So let's just go back. Let me quit. So let's use the other option here. Let me go back. So now let me drop the number again. Let me drop this number again. So we can just use the first option. So this is my country right here, and this is the number I use to register my account. So I click on next. So log in via SMS. So they send the code. So let me just wait for the arrival of this code, guys. I've received it with time. I believe this is the fastest option you can just use instead of you wasting your time on the password. Although if you know your password, it's going to log you in. I've gotten the code within a jiffy. So let's just wait for them to verify this code. Why it's going to log us in directly. Since I'm logging in, you can see right here that it's giving me this option that this is my passport, that I should fill in the last 4 digits number of my international passport, guys. Let me quickly get this done. So guys, here is the last. I've gotten the international passport. So here is the last 4 digits password of my international passport. So I got this. I got 56, then 02. So let's just wait while this verify. You can see right now that automatically it has verified the account and it's taking me right now to the app. You can see, so this is what my Alipay dashboard really looks like. So you can see right here that I've got different options, variety of options right here, and you can see my messages right here. And this is my dashboard. You can see Zion Hub Logistics, guys. and that is my balance over there. You can see that it has automatically logged me in. So that is how to log in your Alipay account for the very first time. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.